Hey, what's going on?
Have a seat, Frank. We're having a wintervention.
Wintervention?
We need to talk about your excessive shoveling. I've invited some of your body parts to talk to you. Your back.
Oh, hi, Frank. Oh.
Your feet.
Down here, Frank.
And of course, your brain.
Long time no see, Frank.
Frank, we love you, but you gotta get off the shovel.
Yeah, Frank, you're killing us. Oh, time you got a Toro Snow Blower. Right, Feets?
Get a snowblower this year from Crescent Avenue Gardens, Frank. Yeah, we walk.
Guys, I can quit shoveling anytime I want.
You said that last year.
You've got a good memory, brain.
It's my job, Frank.
Listen to your body. Head into Crescent Avenue Gardens before the snow flies to check out their complete line of Toro Snow Blowers, including the lightweight Power Clear Snowblower, new Snow Masters, or a rugged Power Max that throws snow up to 45 feet. Get a Toro Snow Blower assembled, serviced, and delivered for as little as $349.99. Visit Crescent Avenue Gardens between East State and North Anthony or online at crescentavenue.com.